Introducing the Cyber Cordless Impact Driver from Cyber Power Tools, built for contractors, builders, and serious DIYers. Inside the heavy-duty carrying case, you'll find everything you need to get to work: the Cyber Cordless Impact Driver itself, 2 rechargeable batteries, a charger, a belt clip for hands-free carrying, and a warranty card with the full instruction manual. Let's get it powered up. To install a battery, line it up with the base of the driver and slide it on until it locks into place. To remove it, press the release tab and slide it right back off. To check your charge, press the indicator button on the front of the battery. The green lights on the side show you exactly how much power you have left. No surprises mid-job. For hands-free carrying, attach the included belt clip. Use the included screw to secure it to the side of the driver, then clip it directly onto your belt or pants, keeping the driver within reach all day long. To install a bit, push it straight into the quick release chuck until it clicks into place. To swap it out, pull back on the chuck sleeve and the bit slides right out, making bit changes fast and tool-free. When you pull the trigger, the LED ring around the chuck lights up your work area, perfect for tight, dark spaces like inside cabinets, behind appliances, or in electrical boxes. On the base of the driver, press the speed button to cycle through 4 speed settings, letting you dial in the right speed and torque for the job at hand. Just to the left, the scenes button toggles through 3 preset modes, each optimized for a different type of screw, giving you the right impact and torque automatically. To set your direction, use the lever above the trigger. Press the left side for reverse to back screws out. Press the right side for forward to drive screws in. The Cyber Cordless Impact Driver, built for the pros.